What I'm about to show you is the actual truth, the behind the scenes of what happens in your mind, what thoughts enter your mind, and everything so that you are actually ready to face the struggle. Because believe me, it's going to come. And if you're right now struggling, I want you to know this. You can pull this off. If I'm able to, so can you. And this video will make you realize that you're not alone and that you can get through it. By the way, if you don't know me, my name is Ivaldi Sako. I used to be the personal trainer of a guy making $300K a month. He teaches me a lot, and now I'm building a multi-million-dollar business from scratch. I document those videos what I learned so that I help you also become truly free and successful. So if you want to be successful and free, I suggest you subscribe right now because you are the right place to do so. Also, I have nothing to sell you. I make those videos because I just want to document the process and help you suffer less than I do. Let's get into the video.
Here's exactly what you're going to go through when you're going to chase your goals. It's not going to be pleasant. It's going to make you want to quit. You're going to go and chase your goals. It's going to get harder and harder and harder. And at one point, you are not going to be good enough. At this point, you're going to realize it, and man, you're going to say, it might not happen. It just might not. How can I do this? This is way too hard for me. Way too hard. At that point, you got two choices. You can crumble and you just want to cry and you just stay in bed and you just don't do nothing. Or you just keep going and just believe, which is an actual verb. You do believe. You choose to believe that you can actually make this happen. That it just might happen just by you trying. Even though you're not good, you're not good enough. Even though you don't have the skills, you don't have the things that are required for you to have your goal. You still go and just try to make it happen. Just go and trust that you'll figure it out. If you don't do this choice, you're just going to want to cry, you're just going to see your future self. Hey, I'm sorry, man. I can't make this happen. And it's going to be the end point of your dreams, of your goals being achieved by you, because somebody else is going to achieve your goals if you don't choose to believe that you can make it happen, or that something can happen, and it will happen for you. If you don't make this choice, you're not going to keep going, you're going to give up, and that's it. If you don't want to make this choice, be ready. Know in advance that it's going to make you want to cry. It's going to make you want to quit because it's going to be so hard. Really, really hard. It's just harder than anything that you can think of. Like, you don't have the right knowledge, the right awareness of how hard can it get to achieve your goal. Like, you're always underestimating what it takes. Don't underestimate it, man. Don't. Try to think of the hardest thing that you can imagine. And don't let that, bring you down. Don't let that just hold you to achieve it. No, just go and achieve it. Even though you think you can, you cannot in the moment, you might just be able to. And just for this tiny possibility, it's worth it. It's worth every single bit of it. Alright? So don't give up, man. And keep going. Even if it gets tough. Like, remember this thing. Remember this. Remember that you made this choice before and you just have no choice else. Let's keep going. I'm transmitting to you what I actually go through trying to build on business, actually make myself successful, actually get to this freedom that everybody wants. I'm actually in the trenches trying to do the work. I'm telling you what it takes. I'm telling you what I learned through it so that you don't have to make the same mistakes that I do every day. Subscribe. Bye.